Add a new manual. Hover over Structure on the main menu and select Manuals menu option. Click on the New button. Insert the manual name. Insert the manual part number. Insert the manufacturer of the maintenance manual. Enter the website at which the manuals are kept updated. Enter the username and password used to access the manuals. Click on the Insert button. Insert Revision Update. Hover over Structure on the main menu and select Manuals menu option. In the Manual Revision box, select the green Edit button. Insert the new revision number in the revision field. Insert the manual revision date. Insert the date the responsible person checked the revision status. Click on the green tick button to add the revision date to the database. Use the same procedure to add new manual revisions as they are published using the next vacant line and press the blue plus button. Link manual and note to task card. Hover over Work Pack on the main menu and select Work Pack. Select the work pack from the drop-down list of open work packs. Open task cards by clicking on the spanner quick link on the top left. Select the task card from the drop-down list. Select the blue Edit button. Select the applicable manual from the drop-down list. Add reference note to the manual link. This may be a note or the specific manual's page and chapter number. Select Update. The manual selected as well as the current manual revision number will be added to the task card data together with the reference and note.